Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, RV extraordinaire, coming here from Beckley's Camping Center today to show you the residence. Now, this is the 40 Loft. So for those of you that have children or maybe guests that would like to come out and spend some time with you, the nice thing is you can get them up out of the way. You also, if you have extra guests, you can always pull out that sofa as well. For more information on this camper or any others, be sure if you call, if you email, or if you stop by Beckley's Camping Center, you do ask for Paul, the Air Force guy. But let's get on to this camper. Okay, so on the front, first thing you're going to notice is how many windows, all the windows you have up in the front. And also on your camping side, nice big windows. Now, these are 40 foot 8 inches in length. You can option them, and we always get them in with the removable tongue, which will save you, as you can see, it'll save you a couple feet there. And the LP bottles and battery are there. Most of the time, people that are putting these at a campsite will go ahead and get the big LP bottle put there. So typically not an issue. You can get them with or without the stabilizer jacks. Again, this is more of a destination, more like a park model camper. So most people that are putting these at a campsite will set them up on blocks and so forth. But this is what you're looking at on your door side. Nice big awning. Now, because it is a loft, the bedroom in the back is dropped down. You'll see when we get inside, and then you have the roof line goes up, giving you additional room for the bunk area. So also on the door side, you're going to notice a nice big floodlight there. That's what they call it, a little scare light up in the front to be able to light up your area. Back towards your door side, you're going to have the LED light strip that's underneath the awning. That's a good size awning. Nice big sliding glass door that does come with the screen. You can see the nice grab handle for getting in the camper. Outside stereo speakers, so that way you can enjoy your music while you're out here on your patio or on your camping side. On the back side of the camper, you can see how tall it is here. I'll have all the specifications, pricing, and my contact information at the end of this video, as well as at the bottom. So now this is where you're going to be going ahead and fill up your fresh water, or go ahead and hook up your city water. And then down below here, this is where you're going to be plugging in for your electric. That's here on the back side of your camper. Over on the other side right here, that's where you'd hook up cable or satellite if you had that. So on your off-door side, you can have a black tank rinse for your sewer, for the black tank right there, and an outside shower to help you clean up. Nice thing is the dump, you have one of the dumps is right here. You have a gray and a black. It's right here, and then you're going to have one other gray tank. The other gray tank will be back here. Now what you're able to do, this is going to be just the gray tank coming out of the shower area and the sink in the bathroom. This is where you're also going to be located for your location for your Suburban furnace exhaust, and then a 16-gallon water heater. Going to give you plenty of hot water for the amount of people you're going to be carrying in here. Now the bed is on a slide out here, and what you have is you also have a little storage that'll be able to get to from under the bed or outside here. So as you can see, it's a long door. Makes it easy for you to put things in here. And right now you can see all they have in here is your electrical cord and the stuff for your vacuum cleaning system on the inside. Okay, so as you come in the sliding glass door, this is what you're going to be looking at. You got your kitchen and your living room area. Then when you look to the back, that's where you're going to see the bathroom. Go into the bathroom, you'll have a way to get to your loft right here, and then of course the bedroom back in the back here. And this is what it kind of looks like if you're sitting down here in the theater seating. Just going to give you a little browse, a little preview of the kitchen area. Now, starting with the rear of the coach, actually this is the front of the coach. Of course, you have nice big windows, and look at all the windows you have. You're going to have this going out the front, and these are all tall windows going out looking at your camping side, as well as you're going to have your sliding glass door, which is going to add even more. Now with this sofa up in the front here, this is a sleeper sofa. It's a tri-fold sofa. Then you have nice little night tables or end tables with outlets on either side. So that is your sofa area. Looking over on this side, this is where you have your nice large TV, your AM/FM CD stereo with a DVD player, and right below that is an electric fireplace, and that really will heat this place up. Now, when watching the TV, you can be sitting directly across in the theater seating. You can be lounging on that sofa. Makes it very nice for you to be able to watch the TV. And then you see that this one has the freestanding dinette. You can opt for a dinette booth if you wished, but it does give you a lot of room on either side, and it does have a little table extension. Now, going into the kitchen area, you've got a nice pantry. You see it's a good sized pantry with nice shelves and so forth. Good counter space for your cooktop. That's a 3-burner cooktop, and you also have the oven here. It's a good size oven. This is a Furion oven, so it'll actually light it using this, so no more needing that stick to light the burner down there, but that's what your oven looks like. There's your 3-burner cooktop. Above there you have this is your microwave, and it's a good sized microwave. It's not one of those small ones. You can opt to go ahead and change that out for a convection microwave if you needed to. And of course you have good cabinet storage above that, and of course above the microwave. Now take a look at that refrigerator. So this is a higher end one, and you're going to have all your controls right here in the door. Hard to see, I'm not plugged in right now, but this is the refrigerator part. So good refrigerator part. And then you're going to have 2 drawers for your freezer. So your first drawer here, as well as the second drawer. So that gives you an idea for your refrigerator freezer. Now, so you also have an island with a high-rise faucet. And look at this, it's a 70/30 sink there. It's a pull-out faucet. You've got your hot water connection or your filtered water connection right there. It does come with the cutting boards or sink covers you can put on here, and look at that's your storage underneath your sink. Then you're going to have drawers on the other side, and look at how deep that drawer is and how big it is. Above that you're going to have 2 drawers this size, so you get 2 of each of those drawers. On the other opposite side of the counter, you're going to have, as you can see, you have an outlet. Now, as you come in the sliding glass door right here, this is where you're going to be able to check all your levels for your tanks. Right along here, turn on either or for your water heater, a gas and electric, water pump, your porch light, your LED lights for underneath your counter, all the different light switches, slide out mechanism for up at the front here, awning, heating and air conditioning. And by the way, I have a little how-to video on how to operate that properly. Make sure you're able to get the most out of your air conditioner. Now, speaking of air conditioners, this one has the Coleman Mach air conditioner. Nice thing with it is that you have the quick cool features on either end of them, and that is a quiet air conditioner. You're going to notice up above your island here you have nice little lights, and then there's also a little cover, well, little shade that you could pull across if you didn't want all that light coming through there. And then more importantly, you do have a ceiling fan in the living area. But you see it from this angle as well. Now, as you come down the hallway, first thing you're going to do, come into the bathroom area. You're going to notice you have the corner shower. Has a nice little footrest in there. And of course, you do have a window up above the shower. Give you some nice light. Good sized medicine cabinet. Nice sized sink. I know a lot of people complain about how small some of the sinks are in some of these RVs. That's a good size. And GFI outlet, and then of course storage down below here. Now keep in mind that your furnaces and water heater are on the outside through here, so that's why you don't have all that space right there. And of course behind the door you've got some good cabinet space So you're able to pack some towels and some essentials in here. There's even room up on top, and then it has a nice little vent fan on the roof. And you don't need to cover that, it's already covered, so you could use it in the rain. So you see you have plenty of room in front of the toilet, and of course high ceilings in this bathroom. Now as you come out of the bathroom, first thing you notice is on the wall here, this is a Furrion access. This is for, it's designed for LTE Wi-Fi router. So there's another piece that you would have to get. You just take the cover off, plug it right in there, and it is going to give you some additional coverage for your Wi-Fi. Now as you come up the steps here, as you can see, this is max load capacity up here is 800 pounds. But you can see that they have the air conditioner, and that's going to be ducted down below in the bedroom down further. And you can see 2 mattresses. So nice thing right there, you have USB charging ports as well as 110. And then back around on this side, you could put a TV if you wish. Put a TV there. And then it has a little storage cabinet. Sure, whoever's up here is going to want to maybe hang some things or put something in there. And so that's what it looks like where you're coming up the steps there. So the height in this area is 3 feet. Now, I'm 5'8", was not very difficult for me to crawl around up in this area. And you can always upgrade those mattresses if you wanted to. So coming down the steps, see they got a nice little handle here for you to, you're going to be coming into the bedroom in the back, and this is going to be the king bed. Now there's a screen that would go on the sliding glass door. You have a separate air conditioning control here for the rear air conditioner, and you can see the air is going to blow in right here as well as back here. But having the control here makes a big difference. Now if you wanted to add a stackable washer and dryer or a combination washer dryer, that could go right in this closet here. Otherwise you can just use it for storage. Back over in this area, of course, you have a little dresser where you can set some things there. You can mount a TV back on this wall if you wanted to, because you have the connection, everything right there for you. Nice window. And then of course you have 2 drawers here, 2 more drawers over there, as well as the closet space above here. Just so you can get an idea of what that closet space looks like. Quite nice. Put a lot of things in there. You may be able to put some additional racks down below and still hang shirts and so forth above. Just want to pan through the room from this angle, kind of get you an idea. So I mentioned how this is a step down. As you can see, there's a step to go up into the regular camper, and that was giving us between the step down here as well as the rise in the roof level, they were able to have that bunk area up top. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Residence 40 Loft by Keystone RV. For more information on this camper or any others, be sure if you call, if you email, or if you stop by Beckley's Camping Center, you do ask for Paul the Air Force guy. Do appreciate you watching. Keep an eye out. Have my ebook out by now. Check that link. I should have that down below for you as well. Lots of great other information coming forth. Looking forward to it. Really excited about everything that's going on here. So stay tuned. I will be back.